So over here you can see that I got 3 objects right here, and let's say I want to go ahead and select them. So if you want to go ahead and select out a face, simply go ahead and click on it and it will be selected. But if you want to go ahead and select out multiple faces, you can hold shift and go ahead and select out multiple faces just like this right here. So now what you can do is you can go ahead and make changes to this. But if you want to select an entire section right here, all you need to do is click and drag around the faces and then it will be selected right here, just like this, as you can see. And then you can go ahead and utilize the move tool to move it out as well. Let me just go back to the selection tool right here. So if I were to go ahead and click and drag out right here and just touch this corner right here, you can see that this face right here, or this section, is not selected. But if I were to click and drag out from the right hand side right here, you can see that the face that the selection touches is actually selected as well. So from right hand side, what happens is that if it just touches a certain section, it'll be selected. But if I were to drag from left to right, then then everything within a particular a range that is inside is only selected right here. And then of course you can go ahead and utilize the move tool right here to move the object wherever you want. And that is how you can go ahead and utilize the selection tool inside of SketchUp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.